Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on a Subaru Forester. First, gather all your supplies: new engine oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, and a drain pan. Next, run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, then turn it off. Finally, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter, typically found on the underside of your vehicle. Now, place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. Once drained, clean the area and replace the drain plug, ensuring a new crush washer is used for a tight seal. Next, unscrew the old oil filter and dispose of it responsibly. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn more. Finally, open your hood and carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. After adding the oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Double-check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Remember, maintaining your car is important, and so is your comfort. For other great deals and the link to those quality socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.